Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today's video is on the top 5 best dog hair removers. After hours of researching, we have selected the 5 best dog hair removers and ranked them based on a few criteria like quality, price, durability, and more. If you want to see more information and updated prices, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure to subscribe for more reviews like this. So without any delay, let's get started with the video. Number 1. Analan Mini Pet Hair Remover Brush. The Analan Mini Pet Hair Remover Brush is our top pick overall due to its innovative, 3-sided design that provides multiple cleaning options in a compact, ergonomic form. The multi-sided Analan has serrations of 3 different widths, with the broadest serration suited for efficient scraping of bigger surfaces. Tighter serrations aid in removing pet hair from surfaces on which it adheres most stubbornly. The triangle form and compact size of the Analan make it simple to hold the hair remover. It fits well in the hand stated by one tester, and it is constructed so that the user can hold it at any angle that is most comfortable. In addition, since the Analan is just a plastic wedge with no crevices or nooks, cleaning it is as simple as rinsing it off in the sink. While the Analan was convenient, pleasant, and highly effective, its portable size severely limited its scraping capabilities, as it could only reach a few inches. Number 2. Evriholder FURemover Pet Hair Removal Broom. This hybrid of a broom, rake, and squeegee is an essential addition to your pet hair removal toolkit. The double-sided broom and squeegee head is effective on hardwood, tile, carpets, and vinyl for removing pet fur. On smooth floors, it performs better than a standard broom and dustbin because it collects fur in its teeth. Nevertheless, stray hairs may not be easily removed from its teeth after cleaning. The telescoping handle extends from 3 to 5 feet, making it simple to sweep under your bed, sofa, and other difficult-to-reach areas. This broom's squeegee side provides additional cleaning possibilities, such as washing around your dog's water bowl and removing nose prints from door panes. Additionally, the brush head is removable for easy cleaning and storage. Number 3. ChomChom Roller Pet Hair Remover. When you need to quickly remove pet hair from your furniture or blankets, you should reach for the ChomChom roller. It resembles a lint roller, except instead of adhesive tape, it conceals a red, textured fabric. Roll it over the target a couple times, and the pet hair will disappear virtually immediately. This roller performed best on upholstery, while it was also good on clothing, blankets, and coats. Remember that it works more effectively on taut objects, so you wish to use it on clothing or bedding. Hold the item taut while applying. However, this little design defect does not diminish this roller's clear effectiveness at removing pet hair off furniture swiftly and effortlessly. Number 4. Uproot Cleaner Pro Reusable Pet Hair Remover. This year, a similar version of this reusable pet hair removing equipment became viral on TikTok for a good reason. Our tester reported that this tool gathered up hair swiftly and rolled it into a ball effortlessly. This tool's scored edge makes it ideal for high pile and high density carpets, where pet hairs tend to become embedded. It might easily trap hair between a baseboard and carpet or couch cushion. Due to the risk of snagging, we do not recommend using this tool on delicate or fuzzy knit materials. However, our tester reported that it did not snag more resilient materials such as upholstery and carpet. While this product is ideal for high traffic areas of your home where pet hair is known to accumulate, we do not recommend using it for the entire house. It is labor-intensive and requires multiple passes to remove all hair from a single area. Number 5. Lilly Brush Pro Pet Hair Toolkit. Cleaning and polishing the interior of a car is normally a headache, but if you have furry passengers, it can become a monumental task. This professional detailing kit from Lilly Brush makes removing pet hair from a vehicle effortless. The wide detailer enables rapid removal of pet hair from seats and floor mats. The finger strap also provides additional security and a more comfortable grip while working. Our tester praised the detailer's rounded and sharp corners, which allowed her to clean a variety of surfaces and angles. This kit's crevice tool is ideal for cleaning those difficult-to-reach spaces between and under seats. It boasts a 14-inch extra-long handle, allowing you to reach deep into cracks. Keep in mind that our tester did note that the handle's length made it rather difficult to maneuver. Similar to the Lilly detailer tool we highlighted as the best for travel, these tools may be wiped clean with a damp towel if there are any hairs adhered to the rubber. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, please like and share the video. And also make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss anything. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions at all. I hope to see you guys in the next video. See you later, guys.